Hi, soul healers. Welcome to day 3. Hope everything's going really good and you're grasping it and you're doing it every day. Now, today we're talking about the word cancel that. So the first session you had to work on what you're thinking about. Your negatives, your positive, what you're talking about, your negatives and positives. Now it's time to put in the word cancel that. So what we're going to do is when you feel yourself or hear yourself talking and it's a negative or it feels uncomfortable or it's not serving you, I want you to go cancel that and replace it with something positive, something opposite, but something also reachable. So it's going to be a reachable goal. So you might be talking about, I got up today and had a massive headache and the rest of the day is going to go bad. Cancel that. I got up today, I had a headache, but I'm going to drink some water and it's going to go by the end of the day, and I'm going to do the best I can to enjoy my day. So something simple, something reachable. That's what we're after. And say it all the time. Cancel that and replace it. So start picking up on your thoughts, start picking up on your talk and cancelling it and replacing that all the time. Make it part of you. Consistency is the key. See you in the next video.